Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Zapier account. I'll be showing you how can you upgrade your account, your free account onto a paid one. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up your Zapier account on the home page. As you can see right off the bat, in the top right corner, there is a blue upgrade button. Once you click on the button, it'll redirect you to the page to choose your plan. So right now it's free. If you would like to upgrade to professional or team, click on either. And then on the right hand side, you'll choose monthly or annually. And by scrolling down in the checkout page, you'll click on next. That will now redirect you to the um, any features that you want to add. Click on checkout, and now you'll add your payment details as well as your billing profile. If you need any extra context, you can fill them in here. Click on save, and your payment will be processed after that month. Next monthly charge will be on this date right here. So if you want, you can always cancel it. If you would like um, to cancel your subscription, you can always manage it from the same page. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.